multiplying decimal numbers. So on this one, the cool thing is we're going to multiply as if there were no decimals. So the very first thing we're going to do is ignore the decimals. We won't worry about that until the end. Now, I picked this problem on purpose. First thing, we didn't line up the decimals. I'm ignoring them. I'm going to pretend like this problem is 562 times 29 until the very end of the problem. The other reason I picked this problem is because it has a 9. 9 is one of the facts that we struggle with. So I'm going to show you a trick that I want you to write on your paper anytime you have a 9 to multiply by. You're going to number from the first side from 0 to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then next to it, you're going to go backwards from 9 to 0. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, taking that 10 seconds of my time, I now have all of my facts for 9. So my first step is doing ones place times one place. 9 times 2, if I don't know that, I'm going to go over here. 1, 2. 9 times 2 is 18. I'm going to put my 8, carry my 1. 9 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 54. Plus 1 is 55. 9 times 5, if I don't know it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 45. Plus this extra 5 is 50. Now, just like we did last time, I'm done with this place value. Now it's like I'm multiplying by 20. I'm going to add that 0, and I'm going to get rid of this so it doesn't confuse me. Now I'm going to multiply like normal, just going from tens place to my ones place. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. I'm going to add my partial products. 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, normally, this would be your final product. You would be done with the problem. We cannot forget our decimal points. We have to remember to put those in. Now, you can see, like I said earlier, these are not lined up, so I can't just pull it down. That would put 2 different places. I'm going to take my decimal points from this problem and move them all the way to the right, counting the place values that I skip. So here I go 1, 2, I skipped 2 place values. Here I went 1, I skipped 1 place value. So that's a total of 3 place values that I skipped. So in my product, I'm going to come down here and I need to skip over 3 place values. 1, 2, 3. That is where your decimal goes. So your final product is 16 298 thousandths.